Hello everyone, this is Avijit here and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crafting with Avijit. In the previous video, I was made this watch storage box and this video link in the description below. Today in this video, I will show you to make this origami diamond. So let's get started. At first, take 15 into 15 cm craft paper and fold it as shown. Now cut the edges and fold again. Now make one more like this. Next, attach the two pieces together with glue. Now it's ready. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.